Today, we are actually planning to do a video in which we'll be discussing our relationships, how
Yeah.
was it dating during
Oh.
our teenage years and
Oh,
all
definitely.
that. Hey guys, how you all doing? I hope you all doing great. I'm Zola and this is
Selma.
She's my younger sister and it's our first time doing a sitting down
Yeah.
video. And the thing is, we didn't talk much about all this.
Yeah, because like my sister here was scary woman back in the day.
I used to worry so much for my sisters. I wanted them to be safe, because I did my mistakes. I didn't want them to
Yeah.
do their mistakes. I'm like, learn from mine.
Learn from mine. Now it's okay, I can say anything. Or else, like I remember back in the day, I say her anything, like in front of my eyes, she just runs to mom and it's like, yeah, Selma did this.
I used to be a snitch, guys.
Yes, she was a snitch.
So let's just talk about like boyfriends and whatever, about dating life and everything in open.
In open. Yeah, sure.
Tell me about your boyfriend.
There it is. There is the sister coming out.
The thing is, like, I don't think you ever told me about your first boyfriend, like, at that time,
No.
for sure.
For sure, because yeah, she would kill me.
It's not like I used to not date. I used to date. But I just wanted my sisters to be safe.
Yeah,
I'm like,
not dates.
I'm like, I have gone bad, but my sisters should be safe.
I'm a baddie, but
We
my
don't
sisters-
want any more baddies in the house.
It's
We
too
have
much.
one. So, yeah, tell me.
It was like an online boyfriend, okay?
I know, right?
It was like online boyfriend who proposed me probably at night, 12 o'clock, I guess. And I was like, oh my god, like what? It's like, oh my goodness, okay. Well, the next morning I broke up. It was not even 24 hours.
What did he do that you felt like,
Nothing. It's so crazy. He told me like in the morning, like, hey, what would you do if I break up with you? I said, I don't know. I think he was checking if I would myself, but then obviously I'm not a chicken. So this dude was like, okay, I'm breaking up with you. And I was like,
because you
okay.
said you will do nothing?
Yeah, like so you don't
No.
have to worry, right?
He's like, it's not worth my time. If she is not herself for
Yeah.
me, then that's not a relationship I want to be
I
in.
think like he thinks more of like, okay, she won't do anything, so it's okay to like,
Oh god.
maybe
So-
5 hours kind of relationship that we
Short test. And your online dating is crazy, and it was
True.
so common back in the day because we actually studied in Riyadh, of course, and we didn't have boys in our class.
Yeah, it was like a different building.
Yeah, different buildings. So
Yeah.
we didn't get to see them, but we knew the existence kind of.
Yeah, there is like human beings like that.
It's so weird. I don't know if you guys studied in co-ed school or like, boys school, girls school kind of stuff, because I think that's definitely not good for sure.
For sure.
And I feel like because of that, kids were more excited.
Oh yeah.
And teachers used to be crazy.
They act as if we have like some Shah Rukh Khan back in the school, but then we don't. We have normal human.
I don't want to say who. I have some names. Anyways,
Yeah, me too. I'm not gonna say.
we'll be cancelled. And the crazy part was, because it was online dating, we
Yeah.
never meet the guys.
No.
And also in Saudi, you can't, you can't. And
Oh my
I feel like at that time, the only glimpse of the guy you're dating you'll see only when he's passing through the corridor, or like
Oh.
the teacher gave him some books to keep in the staff room, or
Yeah.
some stupidity like that. Then
Stupidity
yeah,
like that.
you will see the guys. Otherwise, no way.
Yeah.
No way.
Oh, I don't get it. Like, what was in it? It was crazy back in the days. I feel like right now, I feel like it's a bit more normalized.
But I think in a way it's okay, I feel, if you're dating a guy in your school or like somebody in the same city, because you know their existence. I had friends who used to date people, I don't even know where. They were in Kerala or they were in some other city, and they used to date online. I'm like, maybe that's an uncle, maybe that's a granny, I don't grandpa, I have no
Yeah.
idea. And I feel like that's so wild that at that time people didn't have any options, so they just
True.
went with it. And actually even now people are using all these dating apps and finding men, but they are still going out, which also I find scary. Honestly, I find it scary
is,
because
it
you
is.
don't know his story. So yeah, that is scary for sure. But yeah, at that time we were so young and dumb.
Yeah.
Like the stupidities that we
Young,
have
dumb.
done, can't even imagine. I honestly feel like Brown family should let kids date.
Yeah, I think like then they know like existence of the
Boyfriend,
guy,
yeah,
and
for
like
sure.
if something happens, they know who to call, you know?
Our mom, yo.
Oh my goodness.
We can't even say a guy's name in our house. My mom will
Yeah.
go crazy. Our mom was crazy.
Yeah, she was crazy back in the days. She
Yeah.
was very crazy.
Dad was chill though. Dad was okay. Dad was like, whatever.
It's just normal.
I
But
think
then,
he didn't give any damn. He's like, okay, these kids are just dating or whatever.
True.
Who knows? It won't stay forever. Anyways, that's how he took it.
True. But I think mom was someone who was really worried
But
about
I
us.
really wonder though, did dad ever go to mom and say this? Would he?
No, if our mom would know, she would make a big fuss. Like there would be like a, World War III going on. We would know.
So maybe, yeah. Maybe he will not go and say because then the blame will come on him. Maybe.
Obviously, it's like, oh, it's because of you, you're bad parenting.
Yeah, mom will say that because mom will be like, I don't give them any freedom. It's you who's giving them the freedom. So for sure,
Definitely.
it's your problem.
Yeah.
So maybe dad didn't want any drama.
Yeah,
so
I
he
think,
just
like,
kept
he
to
just-
himself. I can't believe he
I
can
feel
hide
like,
something.
he want to sleep, so he's like,
I don't care. I don't talk about it. But I know actually you guys might be like, oh, that's weird because most often it's the dads who are a bit scary and
yeah,
who-
stricter.
Yeah, but our family,
It was opposite.
it's okay. I think mom
Yeah.
for sure dating is like a no, but
It's
we
a big
could do
no.
whatever else.
Yeah, it's like, we have our own freedom to
Yeah, do whatever.
whatever.
But
Yeah, it's like right now, it's like, okay, she knows, like, I have guy friends. That is it. But if it was like a boy, that's it. She's like, oh, no. So tell me about you. Who is your, like, experience of, like, the first boyfriend?
I don't even know. I can't even remember if this was the first guy. In my mind, maybe this is. Because it's been so long and I often don't talk about it.
True,
So there was one guy, I don't know if I can call him boyfriend. He called me once on the landline
Yeah.
and that's it.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
That's it. This
Wow.
one call.
One call.
One call. Yo, the messed up part is what you know.
What?
We just called once. That's it. And then at that time, we didn't have internet at home. So my friend, my classmate had the Facebook account. Okay, this gets creepy. So she had the Facebook account and she named it like some random name because if we keep in our own name, teachers will find out and
Yeah,
they are
they were like
stupid.
little spies.
So we had this one account and it was for me she made, but because it had more friends, just like how on Instagram you have more followers.
Wow.
So that account had more friends. So she said she wants that account. And from that account, she used to talk to the guy I was dating. So I have no idea what she talked, honestly. So in my name, she was talking to
So
the
God
guy.
knows how long
I
the
was
fake
dating.
you was.
I don't know. She was talking to this guy and she was also talking to his best friend for herself as well. I know it's messed up.
It's like, I'm so confused. Like,
Like
that's
she-
just so stupid.
She is talking to both the guys as
So-
me as well as being her. So I have no idea if anything else
Oh my
happened.
gosh,
I
She's
have no
like,
idea.
I can do both. So there was this guy that I dated, okay? He was just hella weird. I dated for, I think, like, I felt bad and I dated, I think, like, hey, like, before you guys judge me, aren't you guys all watching over there did the same? Like, please, don't judge me, okay?
So you dated him because you felt bad. Was
Yeah,
he
I
like
felt
ugly
bad.
or something?
Why else would you date?
Why else would you say I feel bad?
Yeah, I felt bad. This dude said like he had been in love with me
Allah.
for God knows how many years. Like he did like a doctorate in that.
For 5 years?
For 5 years, 6 years, just waiting like Devatas.
One day.
One day. And then like one day he decided this is the day,
Matlab?
Like he proposed and I felt bad and he was like whining and whatever.
Oh God.
Yeah, then I was like, okay. And then it turned out like, okay, it was fine. It was normal. It went on. I think it went on like for a while. And then I started my uni. And then this dude was like, I don't know, he was weird.
He wanted to control you, right?
Yeah, he wanted to control me. He's like, I won't compliment you every day. If I do so, then it's not a compliment.
Oh,
You will get
okay.
used to it.
And then you won't feel special.
It won't feel special. Like, brother, have you seen Mirror? Like,
I'm dating you. That itself is the
yeah.
biggest
And
compliment.
and he never posts me or anything because he says like he have his relatives, so he can't. And I believed him.
I remember this guy. Okay, this guy that Salma dated, I remember because she posted a picture on her birthday. I think leg or
Yeah, it was like when I say it's decent, it's such a decent picture.
yeah, her leg
It
was
had
seen or
like
something.
everything was like covered. I think like there was a slit from like very low. Okay.
Yeah, and then this guy was complaining. You know what? Just delete that picture.
No, the crazy part is I broke up with him a day before. Okay, day before my birthday, we broke up, and this man was like continuously calling me through his cousins or whatever, and then was like, I love you.
Take me back.
Take me back, baby. I want dun, dun, dun." The
Don't
man-
take people back from trash.
No, please listen to Lizard West, please. Wizard was true. Like, don't take trash, you know. I did, and the very second I was like, okay, like
Let's
this is
just be back together.
yeah. And then the first thing came out of his mouth was like, you know that birthday picture? Delete it. And I'm like,
Oh,
what the heck?
I just took you back.
Like, at least celebrate at least for a month before you come to this.
He knows, right? You left him because he was controlling.
Yeah, and then he was like, oh my god,
Oh.
and he never posted me again. I'm just gonna specify that. And after we broke up, I saw him picking another girl and then
Picking?
peeking like I got no Shah Rukh Khan, crazy one. And then he crossed the bridge or something.
And he posted that.
And he posted
Now
that
no
reel.
family.
Now family disappeared. Like they are no longer here. And I'm like, hello. Like,
Hi.
hi, what's up? And like, not once, I think he posted like some multiple, yeah.
Maybe to show you.
Show me what?
Like, I can get girls too.
Yeah, no, that girl dated the cousin or something. And then the
Are
cousin
they-
was like,
That's so weird. This guy is lifting
I
her. The
don't
other one is
know.
dating. Okay.
I think it's like a weird relation was going on. I don't care. But like I remember the cousin was like, no, like Salma, like take him back. It's just
Oh.
like, you know.
because he's coming to my girl.
No, because he was like, no, I told him to pick her. What is she, a cat?
Huh?
Like,
But
yeah. it was like-
so you should be okay with
yeah,
it.
you should be forgiving.
Be okay. It's his cousin.
Okay.
So,
I told him so. So it's not his fault.
I don't
Like,
know.
why
so
is he-
easy.
So easy.
Like somebody will say him. Like mom says, when someone tells you to jump from the bridge, will you jump?
Yeah.
I know, right? These possessive boyfriends are something else.
I swear. Like, why are you possessive about? Like, I don't get it. Like, when a girl who is like pretty as hell is like dating, just complimenting myself, and like, I think you should just shut up. You know,
At
Be
least
nice.
she is with you.
Yeah.
It's insecurity, I feel. That's it. And also, there are some men who just want to control women because that's
Yeah.
what they saw growing up.
I
They
think-
saw their dad controlling their mom or whatever. So they feel like that's what they should do. Even I dated one idiot. Oh my god. He was the worst, guys. Worst. I think even that name itself is like a bad word to us.
Oh yeah. I hated that man so much.
I thought he looked good. Did he? I don't know.
No, let me tell you right now, so ugly.
I can't remember his face now.
I feel like his behavior made him more uglier.
Yeah, he was so weird. He was nice in the beginning, and at least for 3 months he acted you.
I feel like that person is like a brother of this one, I guess, because like
Same.
both of them wanted us to wear, you know, a shawl because like they don't.
Cover your hair,
Hair.
cover your hands. But we grew up in a house where it's okay, just be yourself, you know. And then imagine coming from an open-minded family.
Are you?
Open-minded?
Open mind.
We are coming from an open-minded family, and then I'll hire an idiot to control my life. Am I crazy? Another thing though, like when she posted that picture in which there is a slit, I took that picture for her.
Imagine that.
Family is taking that picture for her.
Yeah,
So-
and like it's not like no one saw, like my family saw and they didn't see anything wrong. But
Weird.
if you want, like I can put it somewhere here
The
or
picture.
something. The
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
picture,
That'd be
you
crazy.
know.
So yeah, with this guy, he was the same. He wanted to control, and he made me delete my Facebook account, saying that you don't have to talk to guys. He had his Facebook account where he had all the friends,
No.
but for me, just one friend. That is him. Stupid. One thing with these guys is that they'll bring your self-respect and self-esteem so low.
Very
Like you
low.
said, this guy didn't compliment you. This guy used to always tell me you are a bad girl. You know, bad girl as in like, you know, you're just like a bitch.
Oh, yeah.
That kind of thing. So he used to always slut shame me and everything. And I thought this is all I could do. I could only be with this guy. I have to stay. If I will leave him because I dated him, I'm talking to him on phone. So if I leave
I'm
him,
a baddie now.
yeah, I'm a bad girl, then
Yeah.
oh my god, what will people say?
But like
Or
that dude is so weird. I remember like he said he hugs his sister and think of like her, and I'm like,
actually, he gave me a letter. In that letter, it was written, whenever I hug my sister, I think of you. I think of hugging you. Like, how would it be? Yuck! What's
please.
that? Brother!
brother, please.
Creepy! Are you open-minded? So open-minded.
We don't want to be that open-minded. Like
Sorry.
we don't like
Do
know.
this kind of weird stuff.
Yeah, we're not promoting Game of Thrones here. Like, please.
I went to China. And once I reached China, I'm like, oh my god. So why am I putting up with this idiot?
Definitely. I feel like after she went to China, she became so much better. Probably because like she was with
Different
some
people.
stupid man, like very close-minded person.
Here.
So as soon as she left to China, I think like she was nicer. I feel like she looks free, you know?
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
During our dating phase and everything, he used to control. And then I left to China, and of course, it is a different country. I'm living a different life, and of course, I live with guys and girls in the same dormitory because that is the rule there. And for that also, he had problem. I guess I don't remember that. But there was a time I was on call with him, and then somebody was passing by, and a guy talked to me, and I replied him, and then this guy's like, "Oh my god, you are talking to all these men, blah blah blah." And then he used to ask me to send him a selfie, and I'm thinking it's love or some shit. So I used to just send him a random selfie, and he'll be like, "No, take it now, the latest. He want a latest picture." And I'm like, "Why?" I know. I understood. That is because he want to see like if I'm wearing an appropriate dress, as if his dad is paying my bills. So stupid.
You know, like the dude that I told you about, when I'm going to uni, okay? Like, I think it was like first year.
and that
okay?
too in your uni, you have to wear like kurta and
Yeah,
shit.
I have to wear kurta. There is
Ay.
nothing I can wear. Like,
Ay.
let me tell you, I was decent, okay? And and then like this dude was like, yo, like, you know, send your picture because, you know, I'm like, you know, we all the same shit. We are like, oh,
This
love.
is why I said don't date. Learn from my mistake.
Sorry, I had to go through my own
Yeah,
journey.
she had to. At that time, I'm just
Yeah.
kidding, by the way. Let her make her mistakes. I mean, don't make, but what to... I don't know how to fix this.
So this dude was like, send and whatever.
Mm.
I send and then he was like, huh, okay. No reaction. I'm like,
No
"Excuse
reaction.
me?
Excuse me.
And then this guy doesn't compliment me, but I complimented him when he was some picture under the water and all looked very ugly, and I was like, you know,
He
I
doesn't
can't
look
see.
good. Let's just say that.
Yeah, and the thing is like,
And
you know,
then she's complimenting him.
yeah, because
This
like,
is so funny.
What else?
Imagine his life. He got a hottie, and then that hottie will say he is hot. Nobody might have told him that.
I
For
feel
sure.
like I feel like
I
that's
hate
the
him.
problem.
He's an idiot.
I think that was the problem.
What?
That I complimented him.
Okay. Farha used to say this. Like, we have one more sister, by the way.
Yeah.
So,
The
she-
youngest.
Yeah, she's in Malaysia. She used to always say that sometimes you want to compliment people, but if you compliment them, they might think, oh my god, am I very hot? Then maybe I should bring you down.
Exactly.
And that is so true.
That's so true.
There are people like that. You can
Yeah.
say, you can say all the nice things to them, and they'll be like, but you ugly. That's how they'll behave.
That's how they behave.
Man.
You look like a fish under the sea, and I'm still saying you're the fresh fish, but you are not.
You stink so bad.
You stink so bad, but like, I'm still saying like, oh, it looks good. And whereas in my DM and all, I get random stuff. Whereas like
Your random Rajus and
random
Muhammads are texting you.
Yeah, Muhammad Abdullah. Everyone is like, oh my god,
So
girl,
pretty.
so pretty. Let me tell you, back then I had a private account. Like I don't know where the prettiness they were seeing, but still they saw something
In me.
which
What
my
is this?
boyfriend couldn't.
So this guy I was talking about.
Mm.
So after going to China, this guy used to always ask me for all this shit. And then one day, this is a crazy thing that he said. Okay, one day, he told me, you know what? Now you're in China and you will leave China. You will be the worst girl. You'll be, what I'll say, WHO
Oh,
dash
yeah,
dash.
yeah, yeah.
You'll be a this thing. I don't know how to say this now. That word.
That was.
You'll be this for sure after 5 years. I don't know. I can guarantee that.
Yeah,
Or
but
something.
like,
I was like, what? And then he continued to say, it's because how your parents raised you. It's your dad and mom who raised you this way. Can't complain. Also,
says the guy who hugs the sister and thinks about you.
yeah.
Yeah, who raised him?
Oh, Yoda.
What kind of a Game of Thrones were you doing? That is cultureful for him.
I have no idea. And then I'm like, that was it. For me, somebody telling me that I'm this kind of person and my parents did something wrong. I'm like, are you crazy or something? So I said, and he told me, if you are going to behave however the hell you want to behave, I will leave. I'm like, oh, as if I'll cry. I'm like, no, brother, no. I told him, okay, that's the breakup we had. I said, okay. And then he was like, I am going. This is as if you're bargaining, you know, when you go to a shop. Bye. Call me back.
Bhaiya, 10 rupees nahi.
So I was like, yo, bye. And then this man had the audacity to be like, you will regret this, man. That was the best decision of my life. If I didn't leave this idiot,
Definitely.
maybe I wouldn't get my
Yeah.
husband. He's the best. He's
Yeah.
like diamond or something.
Definitely, I love my brother-in-law so much. He's very supportive. Let me tell you a story, okay? My sister went to gym, okay? I was staying in
Oh,
her
no.
house, okay? My sister
This
went
is
to
after
gym.
marriage and everything.
Oh, after
Recently.
marriage. Yeah, recently when I visited her back in Bangalore. My sister went to gym and my brother-in-law, as soon as he heard like close the door, he on the TV and he was watching my sister's YouTube video. Not only that, did we stop there? No. He's so cute. He'd take iPad or his phone or something and watching her reels as well. He wants to listen to her sound even after she leaves. And I'm like, okay.
You know, there
Like-
are men like this too.
Yeah.
Why are we
I was
settling
like,
for some
okay.
monkeys?
I am so happy. To be honest, when I used to see you back in the day, she used to be with some trash, and I used to be like, oh my god, that's just sad, you know?
When will my sister land?
Yeah, but like, I used to be very worried about her, even though I was the youngest.
She's like, okay, that is one behavior
Yeah.
of Selma. Selma thinks Selma have to take care of all of us
Yeah, I don't know
because
why.
she knows everything.
I was really concerned.
You know, middle child problems.
I feel like I
You know how they
remember.
behave.
Yeah, I remember like when she's talking. Also, I used to just cut the call or something in the landline from the other room because I hated.
Yeah,
the
don't
dude.
talk to all these boys.
Yeah,
You
I
are
hated
good.
the dude. Okay, very much. So now that I see my brother-in-law, I'm like, damn, like her taste. Alhamdulillah, it's good right now.
It's Kareem that I dated. Like I was breaking up with him, right? I don't know. He was so stupid, and he kept coming back. I don't know, for some reason he'll just come back and say, "I left you. I left you." I'm like, and then once I replied to him, I was like, "If you left me, why are you still texting me?" And he used to say like, "I didn't want you. That's the reason I left you." I'm
Like,
like, then why are you in my DMs? Is it me who's there in your DMs? No, it's you. So I think this was the worst. This was the worst relationship.
Yeah, understandable. Obviously, he was just like
Yucky.
I feel like, you know, our love to a person makes them look beautiful to us. Once the love fades away, once they like, you know, actually, you know, it leaves, we understand how ugly that person is and what the fuck we were looking at, you know?
And the thing is, what you know, the day we broke up, I didn't feel anything. Something was lifted from me.
Curse.
Some darkness was moved. That's
Curse.
how it felt. It felt like, oh my god, life could
Amazing.
be amazing as well.
Yeah.
You know, could be normal as well. And
You know.
he once said one thing: if you guys will flip, thank God I left him. But there was a time he told me his mother is really strict. If at all I didn't have my mother, imagine, he said, if at all I didn't have my mother, it would have been so easy for me to be with you. So he wished for his mom to not be there on earth
Oh my
so he can
goodness.
date.
Oh my goodness.
And I'm like, man, if you can talk like that about your mother, even though she didn't do anything, she's just strict, nothing else, right?
Yeah.
For that, you will talk like this about your mom. You want someone not to be there in the world because you want a life
Oh my god.
a certain way.
Yeah.
It's scary.
It's scary.
And that too, he was just like maybe in 9th or 8th grade, and that's how he talks. And I honestly think, even though there are changes that happen in us, if you are a bad person when you were a child, I don't think you will be better or anything. There is always this core behavior. I feel that will remain. Yo, there was another thing this guy did, okay?
Okay.
On Gmail or something, I found that he was texting, that kind of texting, S kind of texting
In Gmail?
on Gmail with his Lausha. I mean, Lausha means teacher. Okay, with his teacher.
Oh my god.
With his teacher. Lausha is
teacher.
teacher in Chinese. So he was talking to his Lausha again I'm saying, with his teacher.
Yeah.
So the teacher was flirting. He was flirting, and then I asked him like, "Yo, what's going on?" And he told me that was his best friend who was talking to the teacher because he's the only hottie in the class, and he was just helping his best friend so his best friend can talk to all these girls.
But like, what are they getting out of this?
Dirty stuff. What kind of teacher is that? Yuck.
Yeah,
And
ew.
can you imagine, the teacher is creep and these kids don't even understand it's creepy stuff. They think it's too cool.
Yeah.
That is the reason I feel so many cases don't come out, because small boys think it's so cool.
Yeah.
Scary.
They think like, pulling a teacher like an older woman
They
is
don't.
so cool.
They're thinking of it as pulling a teacher. They don't see that it's harassment towards them. I don't know. This was one weird guy I dated. Who else? There was another one. Yeah, that guy was so tiring, yo. He was so tiring. He used to give me sprinkles or confetti. What is it? What do you call breadcrumbing?
Oh, breadcrumbing.
You guys know what is
Oh,
breadcrumbing, right? It's
goodness.
like you give some love and
Then under the water.
hide.
Hello? Please say.
Then after few weeks, and then hide. Yo, this guy used to just randomly compliment me. I don't know if I was dating, what was happening. He'll just say nice things and then he'll be gone.
Yeah, I have those too. Like, there was one dude that I dated, okay?
He was like this.
Yeah, he was just weird. Imagine, okay? Whenever I change my DP, he comes out of the water.
Same!
He comes out of the water and he's like, oh, babe, you look nice. Ooh, blah, blah, blah. He goes under the water. He's gone. And then I change again. I know whenever I change, he comes up, okay? And then, like, I changed again. He comes up, it's like, ooh, babe, you look nice. La 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 la. He goes again.
So you
fine
dated
day-
him or what?
Yeah, I dated
Boyfriend,
this dude.
boyfriend,
Yeah,
boyfriend. Oh.
I dated him. And imagine, it's so weird dating that man. I don't know why. Like, people considered him as a hottie. So I just came up with a lie. Okay, I was like, oh my god, my sister is going crazy. Give me your account. I want to block her. Okay,
Simply.
because like
I'm a villain in some stories. You.
And the crazy part is, like, some random girls used to come to my class, call me out, and say, like, break up with the dude.
Why? They
I
want
don't
him?
know. Probably, or maybe saving me from the trauma.
Nah, they are saving you so that they can be in the trauma.
Yeah, they're like, please,
It's
let's
my
extend.
trauma, not yours.
One fine day, I chose violence. I was like, my sister called me, like, hello, give me your thing. Like, I
So
want to block.
you wanted the guy's account
Account.
and password and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Did
So-
he give? He's an idiot.
He took his fine time to give, he
He
took
did
his
it.
sweet time. And let me tell you, I'm good at finding things. Okay, I'm good at it. Like, I can openly say I'm good at it. So I was like, give it right now, blah, blah, blah. I
Then?
gave the, urgency. Okay.
Yeah.
So he have to, So he took his sweet time. He gave the password. I checked. Obviously, it looks like a clean slate. It looks too clean to be true. Okay.
Oh God.
So first thing I did was went to his archive. Like, please, like, don't show me your this one and all. Let me go to archive. I went to archive. I saw a lot of things which I shouldn't have. And then, yeah, then I went to his best friend also. He thought like it is a boy. I wouldn't open. Like, please.
Oh yeah, that's the
I
best
opened that
chat.
Yeah. And then like in Facebook, okay, you see like whoever is online and everything, it shows the
Yeah.
green spot. I went to that first.
Okay.
Because like if you talk to them more, it comes up. If
Yeah.
you guys know. So I went to that and then I kept scrolling. Oh my god, this man texted this girl saying like, oh, like let's go out. And when did he say, on my birthday? All the exes just want to ruin my birthday. And then this guy was like, let's go, like, out. And this girl was like, nako, means no in whatever language that was. And then I was like, what? And then she was
So
like,
on your birthday, he was planning a date.
yeah, I was in India, okay, summer holidays and stuff. So in the side, he was texting me like, oh baby, I wish I was there with you so I could bring you a cake and everything, okay? We are in Saudi, okay?
And
Back in the day, everything is strict.
And that too, kids.
Yeah, we were kids. Like we were in like
He
8th
had
grade, I
big
guess.
dreams,
Yeah,
honey.
I think 8th grade, God knows. And the small child was like, oh, let's just, we could have celebrated, but you're far away. Ayo.
Ayo, let me take some other
Yeah.
girl.
So he texted this girl, like, let's go out. She's like, nako. And then he was like, and she also mentioned, aren't you dating a girl called Salma?
And then why is she texting? She should
I
just
don't
not
know.
text
She
him.
likes the attention, I guess. And
then?
then he was like, "No, ye to mera breakup party hai." Means like today is my breakup party. You have to come.
Selma's birthday is his breakup party.
Like, hello, what are we celebrating here? And
Breakup.
Then, breakup. And then she was like, "No, like my brother won't let me." And then
Aw.
as if that stops him, he was like, no, honey, I'll come down your house, take your brother and you.
What?
I don't know, he can do both, I guess. I don't get it.
This was during your birthday. This guy was-
Yeah. So this
I
was
think
like,
birthdays, people are a bit crazy.
I don't get it.
Like
Anyways.
it's birthday, so I should make sure I
Make
ruin
sure.
it. Even I had this one guy. I don't think we were dating. I don't know if that is called dating.
Okay.
If this is dating, then I don't know.
I don't
Life
know.
is scary. This guy just give me some breadcrumbs
Like,
and stuff, right?
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, am I with him or am I not?
Love bombing too.
No.
Yes.
Am I not? Can I date somebody else or not? Is this happening or not?
Situationships.
Anytime, if I'll go out with any guy, just like friends itself,
Yeah.
and then he'll text me things like, oh, you like this food, huh? Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, what is wrong with him? I'm like, you are not here to go out with me. I'm going out with any of my friends. What is your problem, So this guy used to always have an issue, but he doesn't actually make an issue. Actually, I went out with one of my classmates and we were having like biryani and gulab jamun or something. So I posted like the gulab jamun's picture. And then this weird guy was like, so you like gulab jamun, huh? And one day I wanted to take money from Western Union. Western Union is the place you receive money while you are abroad, when your parents send you. So I was receiving the money and he said he'll also come with me. So we went together and we went to some place to eat also. And I don't know, I was not that comfortable with him, I guess.
For
He was
sure.
there and he was eating so less. So less. And he was asking me like, do you eat a lot? So of course I didn't eat. How can I eat in front of a guy who is eating so less and he's asking me, do you eat?
Do you eat? But he calls you out.
Yeah. Like out as in like we're going to take money. So he was like, let's just eat and go. It's not like a date also.
Okay, but like he
You
was
did-
the one who initiated
Yeah.
eating.
Yeah, and on that day he was telling me, you should feel special. You're the first girl who I'm taking to Western Union for getting the money. I'm like, huh? What is it to take me
It's
and
just
all?
Western Union, please.
Yeah, he was like, you're the first girl. Also, you remember, like, just once, okay? Once, all his friends, me, him, we're all friends. So, we all went to a park together. So, he was like, I took you to a park also. So, you know, you're special.
What is Uber?
I don't know what is he saying. So, he was like, you're special. I'm like, okay. But we are not like dating any. We never talked about it. You
Yeah.
know, that is there. But he used to act as if he thinks I look so good. That's how he used to behave. And after that, I never talked to him. And he was so, like, you know, it's so difficult for some people to get over it because they always got the attention. And then now, all of a sudden, that person is not giving you any attention.
Yeah.
So after that, whenever we went to any events and I was there, I used to just act as if he doesn't exist.
That really annoys the hell out of men.
Yeah, so he was there and he was just staring at me, saying hi. I was just looked there and here. I was like, hmm. And I know I looked very good also that day. So this guy was for sure like, ha. And I don't know, he's so weird. He's so weird. Nothing happened between us, okay? And the thing is, we didn't even date properly. We just talked
Exactly.
a few
But
times. And then, I don't know, even I think few months ago also he texted me some random thing I just ignore. Or I just block and then they come with new accounts. That's what happens, you know.
Definitely.
So yeah, these are
Yeah.
some of the weirdos.
The
Top weirdos.
Top
Like
weirdos.
top 10.
Yeah.
Yo, there is one weird story. I think I have to say.
Oh, tell
It's
me.
not any of these. So then there was this one idiot.
Yeah.
He liked me and I didn't think he looked good, but he started crying. And then I was like, okay. Anyway, I don't meet them, so it's fine.
And then we all.
I said, okay. And then all of a sudden, some other girl was texting me and she was like, is it okay if I take him?
If you can take the man, please take. Like, it's yours.
Don't ask.
Don't ask. If
And-
he comes to you, take it.
Keep it.
Keep it. Keep it. Thank you.
Yo, the thing is what, I didn't even, like, I was not even dating him. Like, we were done. We just dated for, like, some time and then I left him because I'm
Yeah.
like, too ugly for me to keep this guy.
Please
Too
take it
ugly
away.
and controlling. I think it's the behavior. It's a behavior that makes this person very
Exactly.
ugly.
It's always like that. Like, you know, when you find a person ugly, it's because of their behavior, you know?
Yeah, and then imagine I left him and then this girl is like, is it okay? I'm like, honey,
Hun,
take
Take.
the trash I threw. No
take it
problem.
away.
My trash might be your gold. I don't know what.
Yeah, there was one guy that I dated, okay? He suddenly, like, you know, we broke up and stuff, but this guy comes in between out of the water, okay? So he came back and he was like, nothing, like, no hi, nothing. He just sent me his hand, which was bleeding, okay?
Oh my god, yeah, we have to
Dude,
talk
like,
about this
let
kind of
me
stuff.
tell you, like, when I say it looks weird, okay? But it actually,
For sure,
no, actually it happened, okay?
What happened?
There was like a cut and it was like a bit of an open, I don't
Wound.
know. Yeah, wound. But like it was big, okay? Blood is leaking or whatever, okay? He was bleeding. This dude is like, nothing, no hi, no how are you doing, Mary John, nothing, okay? All of a sudden, he shows this open wound and he
Saying
says like, I cut this for you. Is it a cake?
I was thinking, but
I don't know.
I cut this for you. Eat it.
Eat it, yum yum yum. Like I don't
What
get-
is this?
Yeah, and I
Oh
was
my
like,
god, what's wrong with people? Why do they
Dude,
cut themselves
I
and then
don't know.
show others like, hey, for you?
hey chicken. Like
It's
I
a
don't get it.
sacrifice or something.
Yeah, like
Scary.
dude, we're not in some crazy boo-boo things, you know.
Some
And this dude was
cult.
like, hey, like I cut this for you. And I'm like, what the heck?
Oh god.
And then he was like, yeah. And then he even sent me, I don't think like people should send those videos. Like his parents are like, you know, really worried. Like, you know, and talking to him. And he's taking a video of like his hand and his family, okay?
Like family asking him what the hell is wrong
No,
with
they
you?
are just worried. They are like
Worried
big
and-
family, okay?
And that's the video? Like,
Yeah,
what
that's
is
the
that?
video. Like, you know, to be honest, like, hey, I actually did it, I guess.
Allah.
Like, honest reaction from the
Oh, gosh.
audience. Like, please.
Reaction time.
At this point, I had enough of his craziness because, like, while he was dating me, he was dating, I think, like, 4 more other girls, okay? And we didn't know until after a while, and then we were like, you know what?
is this?
We all left this dude, okay?
We all left.
Yeah, we all
left the chat.
Left the chat, dispersed, assembly is over. So, yeah, it was very crazy. And whereas I went to school that day, okay, the next day,
Okay.
guess what?
Everyone got this picture or what?
There was this senior of mine who was like friends with me and whatever, okay?
Girl.
A
Yeah.
girl. Yeah. So her friend also got the same image.
For
Let me
what?
say you 1 year, like my senior, okay? She also got
For
the.
what?
I got this for you.
Oh.
Aww.
One wound and it's for everybody.
Yeah, it's like imagine.
He might have fell somewhere for sure.
Yeah, he scratched somewhere or something. Like some choo matter. What he did was like, I feel like he just like did forward it to all, Like that's
What's
the reason.
up, everybody?
Yeah,
This is the
he-
status. He should have just posted on status. only.
That's the reason there was no and hi and bye. It was just a picture first, then the description. It was like
One
forward.
by one, I'll text him.
Yeah. What one by? Forward it to all. Other 72 people.
What is wrong with people showing blood?
I
though?
don't know. It's not cool stuff. Like it's just blood. Everyone has it. Don't brag about it.
Yo, this one guy also, I think it was a wound, and then he somehow took the blood out and he wrote "I love you" in 100 language or something, and he
Ew.
made it a file, like a binder, and he gave me.
Stinky.
I think I might have thrown it because I'm like,
Yeah, you
this-
threw it.
I threw it, yeah.
You threw it.
I think
Yeah,
this
it was
is so
stinky.
disgusting.
Disgusting.
And can you imagine? Are you crazy or what? Don't show me love like a psycho.
Yeah.
Yeah, you psycho only.
Yeah.
Maybe later he will want to cut you also.
Yeah, like we are not Megan Fox and like Mission Kelly. Like, please, we are not like that. We are normal.
So I don't know. It's so weird. Yeah, these are the weirdos
That we dated.
we dated.
And we regret.
And I hope if somebody is watching and is with any guy of this
Yeah,
sort,
who says they are
Yeah.
sick or says like, I cut this for you. Don't believe them. They're
yeah,
not.
don't believe.
It's like forward to 72 people.
Yeah, don't believe. We have more actually stories.
We have so much. We could
But
write a book and plus series like
I
part
think
1, part 2.
maybe like we can do part 2 if they want part
Yeah.
2. We have more stories, more creeps.
More creeps, more stories. If you guys want to hear more or share yours, do
Yes.
let us know.
So that's all, you guys. I hope you guys had fun watching our video.
Yep.
It was
Our late night story.
yeah, this is like a late night conversation with sisters.
Yeah.
And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot.
A lot.
And also, you guys can follow me on Zola and you can follow Selma.
Salma.Rafi.
Yeah, we will add the links
Yes.
here so you guys can check her out.
Yes.
If you don't know her, she's my sister,
The middle one.
a middle child. So she is a content creator in Riyadh. She's based in Riyadh. She
Yes.
does lifestyle and all this.
Yeah.
So if you guys are interested to see more of her, go check out her Instagram. And for me, you guys know, I think. If you don't know,
This
go-
is Zola. Please follow, subscribe, and she's also a content creator.
That's my channel for sure. I'm the
Yes.
content creator. Check out my Instagram, and also we have done a couple of reels on our Instagram, so you guys should definitely
Yeah.
check it out. We have very
Yes.
crazy ones, so check that out. Also follow me on broadcast channel so that we can talk more about what kind of topics do you guys want in the next story time. And I also have a phone case brand that's called Kyoko. These are the phone cases. I don't know if it is clear. If not, we will definitely put up some pictures
As well as tag their account.
so that you guys can check it out. We have stunning, pretty cute phone cases if that is something you guys are interested in. We only have cases for iPhones right now, but we will try to bring in other models as well. So please check out my brand. And that's all, you guys. I hope you guys had fun. It was nice, right?
Yeah, I
Just-
feel like it was interesting. It was my first time and I really love it. I hope we keep taking.
Yeah. Anyways, bye. Love you.